worried of snakes? Top 30 powerful plants that repel snakes away. Hello everyone, welcome. You're on our YouTube channel. Today we came with an interesting topic. Let's start. Snakes, the slippery, slithering creatures that can give even the bravest among us a case of the heebie-jeebies. If you're keen to keep these legless wonders out of your garden or backyard, we've got just the solution for you. Forget about those snake repellent sprays that leave you smelling like a walking chemical factory. It's time to embrace the power of nature and arm yourself with the top plants that will make snakes slither away faster than you can say hiss. Here are the top 30 plants to make snake-free garden. Marigolds. These cheerful flowers emit a pungent aroma that snakes find repulsive, making them an effective snake deterrent. Plant marigolds around your garden borders or near entry points to keep snakes at bay. Snake plant. With its long, sharp leaves, snake plant acts as a natural deterrent for snakes. This spiky plant adds an architectural element to your space while keeping unwanted slithering visitors away. Lemongrass. The citrusy scent of lemongrass plants is enough to send snakes slithering in the opposite direction. Plant lemongrass in containers or create a lemongrass barrier around your garden or patio to deter snakes. Garlic. The pungent aroma of garlic is disliked by snakes, making it an effective natural snake deterrent. Plant garlic bulbs around your garden or create a garlic-infused spray to keep snakes away. Indian snake root. This herbaceous perennial emits a strong odor that repels snakes, making it a must-have in your anti-snake arsenal. Plant Indian snake root around your garden to deter snakes from entering your space. Wormwood. In addition to its bitter taste, wormwood releases a strong aroma that snakes find quite off-putting. Plant wormwood around your garden or create sachets with dried wormwood to repel snakes. West Indian lemongrass. Similar to lemongrass, this variety boasts a refreshing citrus scent that snakes find repulsive. Plant West Indian lemongrass in your garden or use its essential oil to create a snake-repelling barrier. Tulbagia violacea, society garlic. This herb has a strong, garlic-like smell that snakes dislike, making it an effective snake repellent. Plant society garlic around your garden beds or near entry points to deter snakes from slithering in. Onions. The pungent scent of onions can keep snakes at bay, making them a natural snake deterrent. Plant onion bulbs or scatter chopped onions around your garden to create a snake-repelling barrier. Naphthalene balls. These old-school mothballs release a strong odor that snakes can't stand, making them an effective snake repellent. Place naphthalene balls around snake-prone areas or use them in breathable bags to keep snakes away. Rosemary. This aromatic herb not only adds flavor to dishes, but also acts as a natural snake deterrent with its strong scent. Plant rosemary bushes near entrances or use dried rosemary as a natural snake-repelling mulch. Lavender. Known for its calming fragrance, lavender also has properties that snakes find repulsive. Plant lavender bushes or use dried lavender sachets near potential snake entry points to discourage their presence. Mint. The refreshing scent of mint is delightful to us, but repels snakes. Plant mint in containers or create a mint border around your garden to deter snakes from slithering in. Fennel. Fennel not only adds a sweet and anise-like flavor to dishes, but also acts as a natural snake repellent. Plant fennel near entrances or scatter fennel seeds around your garden to deter snakes. Onion chives. Similar to onions, the pungent scent of onion chives can keep snakes at bay. Plant onion chives in your garden or create a chive border to repel snakes. Geraniums. The vibrant colors and pleasant scent of geraniums make them a popular choice for gardens. Interestingly, their fragrance also has a repelling effect on snakes. Plant geraniums in containers or along garden paths to deter snakes. Sage, known for its culinary uses, sage also has the added benefit of being a natural snake deterrent. Plant sage near entrances or use dried sage as a natural snake-repelling mulch. Thyme. This aromatic herb not only adds flavor to dishes, but also has properties that make it unappealing to snakes. Plant thyme near entrances or use dried thyme as a natural snake-repelling mulch. Garlic chives. The scent of garlic chives is a strong deterrent for snakes. Plant garlic chives near entrances or create a chive border to repel snakes. Catnip. While it may attract cats, catnip has the opposite effect on snakes. Its strong scent is highly disliked by snakes, making it an effective natural repellent. Plant catnip in containers or along garden borders to keep snakes away. Eucalyptus. The distinct aroma of eucalyptus leaves is not only refreshing, but also repels snakes. Plant eucalyptus trees or use eucalyptus oil to create a snake-repelling barrier. Tulsi, holy basil. Considered sacred in many cultures, tulsi emits a strong scent that snakes find displeasing. Plant tulsi near entrances or use dried tulsi leaves near snake-prone areas to repel snakes. Wintergreen. The strong, minty aroma of wintergreen plants can help keep snakes away. Plant wintergreen shrubs or use wintergreen oil as a natural snake repellent. Citronella. Known for its mosquito-repelling properties, citronella also has a deterring effect on snakes. Plant citronella grass or use citronella oil as a natural snake repellent. Narcissus. These beautiful flowers not only add charm to your garden, but also repel snakes. Plant narcissus bulbs in your garden beds or near entry points to discourage snakes. Oleander. While toxic to humans and animals if ingested, the strong scent of oleander serves as a deterrent to snakes. Plant oleander shrubs at the perimeter of your property to discourage snake activity. Cinnamon. Snakes dislike the smell of cinnamon. Sprinkle cinnamon powder or use cinnamon essential oil around snake-prone areas to create a snake-repelling barrier. Pennyroyal. Pennyroyal is an herb that emits a strong, minty scent that snakes find unpleasant. Plant pennyroyal around your garden or use dried pennyroyal leaves near snake entry points. These plants offer a variety of scents and characteristics that snakes find unpleasant, helping to deter them from your garden or outdoor areas. By strategically incorporating these plants, you can create a more snake-free environment. Remember to consider factors such as climate, growing conditions, and any potential risks associated with specific plants before introducing them to your space. Plants repel snakes through various mechanisms, including scent, texture, and chemical properties.